Hey Style Fam, how are you? I'm Veronica with Just Styling with Veronica, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you. I purchased a Coach purse and a wallet, so I want to unbox it with you as well so you can see the goodies as just like me for the first time. So I have already opened the box right here because I didn't want that noise to be coming in on here. So let's get into this. Oh, nice wrap. It's nicely wrapped. I'm liking that. Ooh. Protected real good here. I like that. Nice. So this is Elisa. The name of the purse is Elisa. Oh, I love it. Oh, let me put all this in here. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, then it's magnetic. I'm liking that. Oh, let me take the paper out. So you guys can get all the lusciousness. I'm gonna take care of this here too. Oh. Baby, it's wrapped. You hear me? Wrapped up. How you guys doing today? I didn't even ask y'all that. I'm sorry. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Oh, okay, so I can have it on the strap. Let me get some scissors to cut this part off. Right here. So it can be worn as a crossbody, I'm assuming. Yeah. I'm liking the belt detailing of that. And it's black like that. But let's get into this. Let's finish taking all this off so you guys can see all of this. Oh, look. I'm loving all the blackness of it. This, I'm loving the black of it. And you know why I'm liking the black of it? Because it's just all black. It don't have no gold. It don't have no other color on it. It's just black. And that baby is nice. Ooh, let's look at the side. Ooh, feet. Let's look on the inside of it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that inside. Then we got a zip department in here. Compartment, look at that. Oh Lord, this is nice. I'm loving that. And you know what? Let's turn this camera so you can see me with it like this. All right, now I'm styling and profiling. Top handle. Either I can wear it as a top handle. I can even wear it as a crossbody. But see, you know what? I'm liking it as a top handle. That's right. I'm liking that. Child, look how this is cute. Oh, this is the back right here. Take that out of there. Yeah, super cute. This is what it is right here. The name of it. Don't you want to get the name of that right there? So yes, let's look at this wallet though. Child, look, I didn't put all the paper in there. So I got the wallet too, because you know what? I needed another wallet. Ooh. Ooh. Let me see. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at it. Just like the purse. Love, love, love. And I like this wallet because you know why? It's small. My other wallet is huge. And I don't have to put that much in it. I can carry just this. And then they have compartments for your license, your credit cards, your debit card, all of that. And then I can put my cash in here. And then they have a slot right here, right there. And then they have one right here, a compartment. Why I keep saying compartment? Yeah, compartment, that is it. That's the right word. Child, let me see. Then we got that and that. Look at that. Super duper cute. Put them both together so you can see them both. Wallet and purse. Baby, I'm styling now. I got my wallet. Let's put this wallet in here. Let's see how that, look at that. Fall right in. It does. I still got paper in here. Baby, Coach don't be playing. They put the paper in here. You hear me? They got the paper in here. So look, I'm gonna drop it right in here. Just like so. And do this like this. Look at that. I'm liking it. Got feet on the child. I love a purse with feet. So that is it. That's the unboxing. But I want to show you. Let me see something. Child, wait a minute. Say for instance, I got, oh Lord, I forgot something at the store I need to go get. All I need is my wallet. Boom. In the back pocket. That's what you can do with that. I got my ID in there. I got my cash. I got my debit card. What all do I need? You know, just pop it in there. I don't have to carry my purse. I can just do my wallet. Put it in there and keep it going. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is, I will put the link in it so you can see where did I get all this. The link inside the description. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And if you like this type of content, please click the like and the follow button. And I will see you guys on the next video. Enjoy your day. Style fam. Love you.